Hello my dear friends, this is Paul. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango is my ham radio call sign, and I have a great news. I'm so happy because after 1 year of waiting and building, we have a new house and I have my own room for my ham radio hobby. As you can see here, I have a new desk which is much bigger, and of course I have much more space for this old ham radio stuff. And that's the great time for an upgrade and adding some more equipments. And the first thing will be the ICOM SP-41 an external speaker. I have a space for the speaker right next to the ICOM transceiver, and the external speaker is especially designed for the ICOM 7610 or ICOM 7300. So let me open the box. I will show you more. I will show you what is inside. I'm going to connect this external speaker to my ICOM transceiver and will play it. And I believe that the sound will be much better or significantly better than an internal speaker. So let me open the box. Okay, so here you can see very safe packaging. You can see very thick walls of the cardboard. Here inside you can see that the packaging is really nicely made with the gaps on the sides, which is great against the small bumps during the shipping. And here inside we can find the instructions and the panel description here. And here on the bottom you can see the frequency response characteristics, which means that this speaker has high cuts and low cuts filters, which is very handy. Here on the side we can find two audio jumpers with two 3.5mm mono jacks, and we have two of them because this speaker has two inputs, and as maybe you know, the ICOM 7610 has two receivers, separate receivers, or a main receiver and a sub receiver, so we can connect both receivers to one speaker, or I can connect one speaker and two different radios. So here you see the speaker itself. It's nicely packed in the plastic bag and the foam. And here we have the speaker itself. It's big, yeah, really big. I think it weighs maybe 2 kilograms. So the design of this speaker is pretty the same as my ICOM 7610, which you can see right there. Alright, the height should be the same. And here at the bottom you can see the leg. And the height right now should be the same as my ICOM 7610 in this position. Alright, so let me overview the front panel of this speaker. You can see the knobs or buttons here on top. That's the high cut frequencies, and this is the low cut frequencies. Here we can see the input switch between input A and B. So we can use the one speaker for two receivers in my ICOM 7610, or we can use one speaker for two separate transceivers. Speaker off, speaker on, and the phone's socket. And on the back side you can find just the two speaker inputs for 3.5mm jacks. Alright, you can see that the length is pretty the same as the ICOM transceiver. Now the dimensions of the speaker. So the speaker is 14.5 centimeter wide, almost 12 centimeter high, and in depth it has 28 centimeter. So I have a space right here, so I need to remove this piece of wood. Okay, and I have to connect the cables first to the transceiver. Alright, so here you can see two inputs in the back side of the ICOM transceiver. So here we have the B and here an A. That's the cable for A and the cable for B. And finally to the speaker. That's the A and that's the B. Perfect. As you can see that the jumper cable is long enough to be able to make this little RF choke, and I used these wires which were included in the package. And to the future I will use also the ferrite clips on it for better filtering of the RF noise. And the cable itself seems that is braided or shielded inside. Okay, so my speaker is connected to my transceiver, and now it's time to turn on the audio and compare if the signal from external speaker is better than from internal speaker. I bet that yes, so let's see. Here you can see the microphone for external speaker, and here it's the microphone for internal speaker. So I will disconnect the cable behind the radio, and you will see which speaker is better. So this is an external speaker right here. And this is internal speaker right here. External speaker, internal speaker, external, internal, external, internal. Alright, so let's play a little bit with the filter buttons on the speaker right here in the corner. So I will turn on the audio, and you are listening the sound from this microphone.
Mic 7?
So here we can see the wide mode
Okay,
button.
hold on. Mic 7. Only the mic 7? Okay, I think it was mic 7 Alpha Hotel Oscar stroke mobile 59.
Alright, the difference is quite visible
Okay, very good.
with this
73, have
button.
fun. Now, was there another mic
The
7?
high frequencies are added.
Mic 7 Delta Oscar Tango 59.
Alright, so this is the high frequency cut.
Roger, mic 7 Victor Oscar Tango 59. Go ahead. Okay, thank you. Was there another mic 7?
This is a low frequency cut.
Okay.
Cut
Papa
1
Delta
and
7?
cut 2. I guess 2 different levels.
Roger, PD7 Mike Alpha 59. Right, and maybe you were here. Okay, Roger, thank you. 73, QRZ, Kilo Charlie 1 Kilo, United Germany. Delta Bravo 9 Echo Victor,
Yeah,
Q signal.
seems like high frequencies were added or low frequencies were cut.
Okay, thank you, Frank. 73, sounding good here. QRZ, Kilo Charlie 1 Kilo, United Gulf.
This is the same settings but in the wide mode.
Roger, Sugar Papa 4, Sugar Victor.
Difference is much significant.
Thank you. Good morning, I guess, or good evening there. QRZ, Kilo Charlie 1 Kilo, United Germany. This is the Germany 4.
Okay. So the next button is input switch A and B. So I have the main receiver right here, and that's the sub receiver or the B.
United Germany, QRZ.
Because you can see that the level is in the same positions.
Germany, Lima Kilo 59. Robbie, sending good to Kilo, United Germany. Juliet Alpha Oscar.
That's really interesting feature because I can do comparisons in the future between two different receivers or transceivers on the same speaker, which is really great. And the next button is the speaker on and off. So you just mute the audio. And then you can use the phones right here. Okay, so and on the final of the video, let's tune across the band and see how the audio sounds from the ICOM Sugar Papa 41 External speaker. I'm using the speaker in the wide mode actually, and the other buttons were off.
X-ray Tango. Sierra X-ray Tango, Kilo Bravo 2, Sierra X-ray Tango. También, el Lima 1 Whisky Verde, y le hice que la antena apuntando. QRZ. Sierra Victor 1 Juliet, Sierra Oscar 5 and 9 in Brazil from Greece. Good evening, my friend. BDW Joseph, easily. Take care. Sorry, no copy your call because from Goblet, from Sierra Kilo.
5-9 to Canada. I seen you drooling over those expensive cars there.
I'll plug in your direction to yourself. You're coming here on 20 meters. Is a 6/6/6. It's 3 6-element Yagis on the 65-meter tall tower. 73, have fun.
Yeah, QSL, could you give me the name of your state again? Over.
Okay, guys. Hold on. Thank you so much for the call. 73. QRZ, Kilo Charlie 1, Kilo Uniform Germany.
Bastante, que me lo tomo con tranquilidad. Paseo para allá. Una hora, meu. Ah, tá bom. Não vem com link que eu não estou fazendo mais nada, não. Anyway, well, good night to you. I'm happy to put you in the log again. Have a good sleep. All my dreams about the Fisher Radio are permitted. And of course, we'll look forward to the next time. Keep well, stay happy. Nothing else matters. Good night. Sugar 57 Echo. H83 Charlie. Au routier français. Alors j'ai mis, ils étaient en ligne, moi j'ai dit non.
Thanks to ICOM, I have a great speaker here in my upgraded Hamshack. So I wish to see you in the next videos, in the next live streams probably, and I will use this ICOM in the live streams. So if you wish to see more information about where I purchased this ICOM speaker from, you can find this all information down in the video description. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be very happy for any of your support, like watching my videos. 73 guy, many thanks, and hope to see you again next time. Bye bye, good luck.